If you're currently experiencing problems with the ALT codes on your Windows system, then here are several steps you can take to try and get them working again. As for the first fix, turn on mouse keys. Now you might want to enable mouse keys when number lock is on. This is an easy fix for many ALT code problems. Now the method involves pressing the left Alt key, the left Shift key, and then the number lock keys all together on your keyboard. Now in the pop-up menu that appears, click Yes, and then the mouse keys will be enabled. Next up, modify the system settings. Just open Settings, select the Accessibility tab, click Mouse, click the toggle to enable the mouse keys, check the box next to only use mouse keys when the number lock is on, then close the windows and then restart your computer. Lastly, what you can try to do is tweak the registry editor. To get started, open regedit, navigate to the following directory, right-click on Input Method, then choose New, select String Value, then once you have created the string value, name it as this one, then press Enter to save it. After that, double-click on the new string value, and then a pop-up window will appear. In the Value Data field, set 1, then click OK to save the changes. Once you have completed the steps, close Registry Editor, restart your computer, and try the Alt key now. So those are the following fixes if your Alt codes is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.